Hey y'all, I'm just doing my weekly recap of my run marathon training. I just finished doing my long run today, which was 6 miles. I did a 5-minute warm-up jog walk, and I'm doing my 5-minute walk cool down now. I don't really include that in my overall run time. Thursday I ran as well, and Tuesday I ran as well. My total miles for this week was 11 miles, which is pretty good, pretty decent. Still working my way up to increasing my mileage. The marathon isn't until the end of July, so I got a long way to go, and my body has lots of time to adjust to the additional miles. So that was it. I did do some hill training on Tuesday, and Thursday during my run I did speed training, and today was a nice easy run. I ran in zone 2. Pretty simple workouts that I do, and that's all I've got for the running. I've still kept up with my strength training, which I do on Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. As normal, I'm just keeping everything nice at maintenance level, which means I'm not trying to lift any heavier weights than I did before I started training, because the only increasing of anything that I'm going to be doing now that I'm training for running is the mileage. And so that's it. Short and sweet. Until next time. Like, share, subscribe. If you're liking these videos and want to see how my run training is going, or you know somebody who is attempting to run a marathon, or even just a race, 5K, 3K, it's all pretty much the same, just the distance changes is all. So I hope these videos help, and I'll see you next time.